In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable use Face ID to view hidden album on iPhone. So if you have some selected photos you hide on your iPhone, just like this, on the album, and you come down to hidden album, you'll be prompted to view this using your Face ID or enter your passcode. You can easily disable this feature if this feature is turned on your iPhone, and you can easily enable this use Face ID to view this album on your iPhone if it is disabled. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first you want to do when you want to enable or disable use Face ID to view hidden album on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down until you get to the Photos app and then click on it. So scroll down to the Photos app like this and click on it. Now once you selected that, scroll down until you get to use Face ID. Then you should see Face ID is required to view hidden and recently deleted album. Go ahead and disable this. Once you disable this, confirm this is your Face ID. Then this is going to disable, and when else you want to view hidden photo on your iPhone, you will no longer be prompted to type in your code or use your passcode. Go back and confirm this. Then you should see the hidden album visible straight. There you go. Then you can also go back and enable use Face ID to unlock hidden album or recently deleted photos. Turn this on. Then if you go back again to the Photos app, and you should see you'll be prompted to type in your passcode or use Face ID to view this album. So this is how you can easily disable or enable use Face ID to view this album or hidden album on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.